Day 12. Talking about hobbies and interests. Welcome to Day 12 of our Learn English in 30 Days series. Today, we're focusing on how to talk about your hobbies and interests. Hobbies are a great way to connect with others and make conversations engaging. By the end of this lesson, you'll confidently describe your favorite activities and ask others about theirs. Key phrases for talking about hobbies. 1. Expressing your hobbies. I enjoy reading books in my free time. One of my favorite hobbies is cooking. I'm interested in photography. In my free time, I like to play guitar. 2. Asking others about their hobbies. What do you do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? How do you spend your weekends? Are you interested in sports or art? Expressing preferences. I prefer outdoor activities like hiking and cycling. I love painting because it helps me relax. I'm really into gardening these days. Example sentences to practice. Talking about yourself. In my spare time, I love playing video games. I enjoy baking cakes for my family. Asking others. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Do you like creative activities like painting or writing? Are you into adventure sports? Speaking practice. Describe your hobbies. Let's practice. Answer these questions. 1. What's your favorite hobby? 2. How often do you spend time on your hobby? 3. Why do you enjoy it? Example. Answer. My favorite hobby is painting. I spend about 2 hours every weekend creating art. I enjoy it because it helps me express my creativity and feel calm. Practical English conversation, talking about hobbies and interests. Let's see a fun and simple conversation between two friends, Sophie and Mia. They're talking about their hobbies and how they spend their free time. Pay attention to the questions and answers. They're easy to use in your daily life. Sophie. Hey, Mia. How are you? It's been a while since we caught up. Mia. Hi, Sophie. I'm good. Just busy with work. How about you? Sophie. I'm doing well, too. Just trying to keep up with everything. So, what's new? Mia. Not much, but I've started doing yoga recently. It's so relaxing. What about you? Have you been up to anything interesting? Sophie. Yoga sounds amazing. I've actually started learning how to bake. Last week I made a chocolate cake. Mia. Wow, that's awesome. Was it your first time baking? Sophie. Yes, it was. I followed a simple recipe and it turned out great. Do you enjoy cooking or baking? Mia. I like cooking more than baking. I usually try new dishes on weekends. Last Sunday I made pasta. Sophie. That's nice. What kind of pasta did you make? Mia. I made creamy Alfredo pasta. It was delicious. Do you enjoy eating out or do you prefer home-cooked food? Sophie. I love both. But lately I've been enjoying home-cooked meals. By the way, do you have any hobbies besides cooking? Mia. Yes, I love reading novels. It's a great way to relax after a long day. What about you? Sophie. I enjoy painting. It's my favorite way to unwind. Mia. That's so creative. What do you like to paint? Sophie. I love painting flowers and landscapes. I find it calming. Do you like drawing or painting? Mia. I'm not very good at it, but I've always wanted to try. Maybe you can teach me sometime. Sophie. Of course. We can have a painting day. It'll be fun. And I can try cooking with you. Mia. That's a deal. Hobbies are a great way to learn and share with friends. Sophie. Absolutely. Oh, I forgot to ask. Do you ever talk about your hobbies with your family? Mia. Sometimes. My mom loves cooking too, so we often share recipes. What about your family? Sophie. My sister loves painting as well, so we often paint together. It's a great bonding activity. Mia. That's wonderful. Hobbies really bring people closer. Sophie. They do. All right, Mia, let's plan something soon. Maybe a day to share our hobbies. Mia. Definitely. Let's catch up again soon. Take care, Sophie. Sophie. You too, Mia. Don't forget to send me your pasta recipe. What hobbies do you enjoy? Share them in the comments below. Don't worry about mistakes. This is your space to practice and grow. Write 5 sentences about your hobbies in the comments. Tell me, what hobby you enjoy the most? How you spend time on your hobby? Why you love it? That was a practical conversation to help you talk about hobbies and interests in English. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, the best way to learn is to practice. Try talking about your hobbies with your friends or family in English. And if you have any questions or ideas, share them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Fun for more such useful lessons. See you in the next video.